Are you ready to maximize your Ninja potential? All right, team. We're gonna do some interior cleaning today. We're gonna do it on this Mazda CX-9. But before I do that, I wanted to do a whole separate video to explain the difference between our original Scrub Ninja and our Scrub Ninja Max. Now, our original Scrub Ninja, I found out a lot of people are still using and they haven't migrated to the Scrub Ninja Max. But I'm gonna show you why a lot of people are migrating to the Scrub Ninja Max. So our original Scrub Ninja has some microfiber on one side and the Scrub Ninja soft but firm bristles on the other side. Now the Scrub Ninja Max has both a black and a white side, and people were asking me, is there a difference in scrubbing power? It's the same bristles, just one side is black and one side is white. I like to use the white if I'm demonstrating how dirty something is. Okay, so we have had to reshoot this section of the video like 3 times because of the military, aircraft, and emergency services vehicles and local airport flying by. But I promise it's not a military secret as to why we went from the microfiber on the original Scrub Ninja to the Scrub Ninja Max. And it's a really simple explanation, actually. So in the past, it wasn't possible for us to stitch both sides of the Scrub Ninja type fibers, so we had to put the microfiber on one side. But we've since made it possible, and while the black and the white are the same, we can now stitch it together. So that is the difference between the original Scrub Ninja and the Scrub Ninja Max. Now, you'll have to let me know what worked for you, but as far as I'm aware, almost nobody ever used this microfiber side, and so now they're happy that we have 2 Scrub Ninja Max sides. Let me know if you ever use this microfiber side.